channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making gingerbread men. So, let's take a break and bake. This is our second holiday treat, and I'm so excited to be making gingerbread men. They're such a classic holiday dessert, and they taste so good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, comment down below on another treat that you want me to make, and share this video with all your friends. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Now let's bake these gingerbread men. The ingredients you need are 3 cups of flour, half a cup of molasses, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of butter, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon and a half of ground ginger, a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 4th teaspoon of salt, a 4th teaspoon of ground cloves, and finally 1/8 teaspoon allspice. For decoration you need royal icing, colored in white, red, and green. The first step to making these delicious gingerbread men, you're gonna add your flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ground ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and allspice. And then mix that all together till it's evenly combined. Now we're gonna start working on our wet ingredients. We're gonna add our butter, sugar, and molasses into a large bowl, and we're gonna beat that up until it's well combined. After it's well combined, we're gonna add in our egg and our vanilla. After you mix that all together, it's time to mix it up, half of it at least. We're gonna add in half of our flour, mix it up, and then we're gonna add in the other half of our dry ingredients and mix it up one last time. All right, so now we're gonna divide the dough in half, and we're gonna wrap it in plastic wrap and set it in the fridge for 1 hour. Now that that's in the fridge, I'm gonna go watch a Christmas movie. Our gingerbread has chilled for 1 hour. Now we're gonna roll it out to be about 1/4 inch thickness, and then we're gonna cut it with our gingerbread cookie cutter. You can find my cookie cutters and this rolling pin at my Baking and Buttercream store. There's a link in the description below. This is actually a special rolling pin. It comes with these little discs that help you roll it out so that it's almost all the same thickness. The smallest thickness comes in 1/16 and the largest is in 3/8. So I saw this on another YouTube channel. They take the plastic wrap and they whip it up in the air, and then the dough lays right on the table. So we're gonna see if we can do that today. Boom! We're gonna take a little bit of flour, put it on the countertop, and then roll it out and cut out our cookies. After that, we'll put them into the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. Now that our gingerbread cookies are all done baking and they have completely cooled, we're going to start decorating them. You can decorate these in so many different ways, and there's so many different ideas online. Okay, so we're all done decorating, and these look so good. We have one gingerbread man that looks like a reindeer. We have the gingerbread circles that look like ornaments, and then the classic gingerbread men. They all look wonderful, but do they taste as good as they look? So now it's time for the taste test. These taste so good. They're such a classic flavor, and they have a nice snap to them. You should totally try these recipes. Send me a photo if you make these on my Instagram or on my Facebook. I want to see you guys create some of the things I create on my show, and I think it would be so cool if you made these classic winter treats. Thank you so much for watching this video on Baking and Buttercream. I'm so glad I was able to make these gingerbread cookies for you guys. Like always, make sure to like this video, comment down below on another treat you want me to make, but also comment down below some questions that you have. I'm thinking about after the New Year's having a Q&A for these next couple videos. Keep leaving questions down below, and I'll write them down, and maybe your question will be in a video. Don't forget to share this video as well if you enjoyed it to all your friends, especially your friends that love Christmas time. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Keep on subscribing. Let's get to 200 subscribers real soon, and let's keep growing this channel. Make sure to check the description box below for my social media links. Like I mentioned, I have a Facebook and an Instagram. I also have a Baking and Buttercream website, so go check that out. There's a link in the description. And then on top of everything, I have a store to where you can go get the cookie cutters and the rolling pin like I mentioned. So go check those things out if you want to make the gingerbread cookies, and then click on one of these 2 videos right here. This one YouTube thinks you'll really enjoy. I think you'll enjoy this wonderful Christmas time video. And click this icon right over here to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good